I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to create Facebook ads. First, open Canva and search for Facebook ad templates. You'll find thousands of pre-designed layouts to kickstart your creative process. Select one that resonates with your brand's aesthetic and your campaign's message. Then, begin customizing the elements to make it truly yours, ensuring it stands out in a busy feed. Now, let's make your ad truly shine with customization. Upload your brand's logo, specific fonts, and brand colors to maintain consistency. Canva offers millions of stock photos, videos, and graphics to enhance your design, so explore these options. Remember to keep your ad copy brief and impactful, focusing on one or two key benefits to capture attention quickly. To maximize your ad's effectiveness, consider Facebook's best practices. Designed primarily for mobile devices, as the vast majority of users will see your ad on their phones. Aim to keep text on your image to a minimum, ideally under 20% of the total area, to avoid reduced reach. Always include a strong call to action like "Shop now" or "Learn more" to guide your audience. Once your ad is perfect, it's time to prepare it for launch. Download your design in a high-quality format, such as a PNG for images or an MP4 for videos, ensuring crisp visuals. Before uploading, double-check everything for typos or design inconsistencies. Finally, navigate to Facebook Ads Manager, select your campaign, and upload your newly created ad creative to begin reaching your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.